sweetheart, this is just a simple date snacks you can do at all time for your kids or for your family. We call it here .L recipe. So for the dough, you can check other of my videos to see how I do it before you can continue with this process. Keep watching. So sweetie, doing it this way as I'm doing right now helps it to close very well. Keep watching. This video is helpful. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. Don't forget that it is only through subscription that you will get Mirian Dike. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in my next upcoming video. Bye.